Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Creo tutorial how to spline add point. If you want to add point on spline object, we can use divide tools. For the example, I will choose a top plane and click sketch. Now you can go to sketch view. Use a spline tools to draw spline like this. And then if you want to add points, like in here we have 1 point in the middle, and if you want to add in another area, you can use divide tools. Okay, click at this icon divide, and I will click at this, and then again at this point. Now we can press middle mouse. We have another points in this spline object, so you can move and you can edit the point. If you done, click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Creo tutorial, how to add point on splines with divide tools. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.